So, where are we going?
Tampa.
To Tampa, Florida. I already forgot. We got Joe over here. He's already passed out sleeping. It's gonna be a great trip.
Later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright, we made it to Florida. I got Joseph over here, Suchi's over there. We are trying to get a car from Enterprise and walk back.
They should make transition contacts. Like sunglasses?
Let's go see this house. Time for the pool. Alright, so we're officially leaving paradise and we're going back to Pennsylvania, and I'm going back to New York. So sad. Everyone's face is sad.
I'm back.
And he's come back. Luckily he's come back. Lucky. But I'm gonna eventually move here permanently. So we'll see how it goes. See you later. Peace.